Hey guys, this is Harrison with Mr. Chucho Quality Roofing. So today we will be doing an intent of repair. The claim number is 4264G918R. And the address is 1599 Cobra Lane, Clarksville, Tennessee 37042. So we'll be doing this intent of repair. The shingle that we'll be using is Rustic Slate from Tamco. That is the shingle that insurance say we're supposed to use on the intent of repair. So I will be using a bar, a standard hammer, and a measuring tape. Let me start. So this is the shingle that I will be touching today. This right here is the main one that I will be moving. This one, and this is the other one on the top. Okay. So you can see right here, this shingle is already damaged. Try this one. This other shingle is damaged too. Man. This shingle already get damaged. Man. Okay, I already moved the top one, so I will be moving right now the main one that I will be using. Okay, so I already moved this. You can see how the shingle get damaged. So right now I will be moving the shingle, the main one that I will be moving. Okay, so right now I will proceed with moving the nails. So now I need to move the other shingle on the top too, to be able to take the other nails right here on the top. This shingle is all damaged. Sticky. Man. So here's the shingle that I move. So I will be marking all the damage that happens during the repair. So you can see right here some part of the outer shingle on the top. You can see right here damage. The outer shingle on the top got damaged, and we have some part of the outer shingle on the top. You can see right there with purple. You can see right here I will mark this shingle on the top shingle got damaged. You can see right here damage during the intent of repair. You can see right here. Okay, so now we'll be getting the new shingle that we'll be using. Rustic slate. They say that rustic slate is the one that we're supposed to use. So I will be measuring tape right here, and it looks like they are the same, 36 exactly. Okay, so we'll be continuing the repair. So right here I will be marking the damage of the nails. You can see right here damage of the old nail. Okay. So now I will try this shingle right here. Okay. Okay, so I will be putting the nails back. We have a nail right here. A nail right here. We have a nail right here. Okay, so we'll be putting the other nails right here. So I will be marking the other nails. This right here, this is from the old nail, so I can't put this nail right here because it will just fly out. The shingle will fly, wind will blow it, so I need to do another hole. So this considered as damage. Okay, so that's it. Let me mark the damage that happens through the process. We have right here a big hole because we can't put a nail right there back because this nail will not hold, so it will just shingle will just fly. So we need to, that is damaged. We have right here another hole from the old nail, so this damage, this damage, this damage. This is shingle from the other, this shingle right here on the top, this part of that shingle, you can see right here clear, marked with purple. You can see damage, see, damage. You can see the damage right here. Okay, so consider this as not a repairable roof. Thank you.